heading out to pick up a couple real nice Bride racing seats for the Skyline. Of course, we got about an hour and a half drive to get there, but it'll be worth it, especially because the interior of the Skyline is lacking anything that looks half decent. So yeah, you know, this is the bridge that was famous for a very short time. It was the world's longest suspension bridge for like half a year until China built a fucking longer one. Waiting on Buddy now. Bring me my seats after our little excursion. Alright, Bride seats in the truck. Now we'll go back home.
That's right.
So you happy with the seats? Yes, they are going to look good in the car. They are functionally nice on the ass, and I just got to get some rails for them. So yeah, everything's looking up, Ryan. Perfect.
Ride number 2.
Reveal here.
Of course, these are the cheap brand, you know, but
Better than nothing, eh?
here we go. The seats are a little heavier too, I'd say. We get some rails on there. Passenger's just going to sit ever so nicely in this orientation.
Well, we got it figured. So we got Bride type LR seat rails apparently work with this setup, and luckily found a company in Canada, because that usually determines how long you're waiting for products. So as soon as those come in, these go in, and so I'm sitting here putting the Bride seat rails in for my Lomax Bride seats, and you know, the driver's side was quite a bit of messing around, so I kind of wanted to go over what I have to do to get these to work. Now, I don't know what's going on with this car, but everything I order for the R34 is I have to tweak it or fab it up somehow. These ones are pretty bad. Maybe I'm just ordering the wrong stuff. It's an R34 Skyline, so that's what I ordered. Anyway, on the seat rails, I've already had to heat these up and bend this flange flatter, because it was on too much of an angle, so it wouldn't work. I do the same thing over here, and now this bolt is in. This one, you can see, is well off the mark there, and then, which, you know, this one here also just not even close. And I don't even want to talk about what the hell is happening over here. I mean, like, just no. So when we look at what this rail is for, and I ordered it for an R34. It says R33, R32, R3 type. Left hand. Well, I don't know what type means, but I'm assuming that means all R30s. Except for maybe a 35. But, yeah. It's just been like this for everything on this car. So what I gotta do is I have to obviously drill out some new holes. I'll have to actually weld a piece on that front, on this guy here, just so that there's some meat left there, and bolt this all down. So I'm really liking this roll bar though. Got this baby put in the other day. Still got to put the racing seat harness in and get her down. Oh, so this is the thing about the driver's side. The driver's side, I managed to just re-drill a couple spots. So I just drilled this one kind of over on this flange a bit more. Drilled that hole in the center of this one. And then I think the one on that side was okay. But when you actually sit in the seat, you can see how close it is to the center console. So you're actually off center of the steering wheel by like at least 1.5 inches. It's kind of awkward. You're kind of reaching over a little bit, enough to be able to tell. So I actually have to take this back out, do the same thing I'm doing over there, which is I'm gonna have to weld some plates onto the sides of these so that there's more meat, and I can drill these holes over so I can shift the whole seat over about 1.5 inches. But you know, yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, I managed to actually save enough meat on this side to be happy with it. But those are now bolted in, and that thing is solid. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I mean, like you can see, we're just gonna take this bolt and fill our hole here. Fill our hole. Yada yada yada. Give her the old slam down. Here we go. Yeah, it's for an R34. Mine's a special R34 though. It's a hybrid R34 slash Hyundai slash 240. So that's why this isn't lining up. Oh, which is also why these are probably also listed as S13 and 14 and, you know, for sure. So another problem I am having is that the Lomax seats that I got from a local guy out here came with the seat rails on it, but those seat rails don't work. So I actually have to take those rails off and put our Chikugam ones on there that we've been playing with, and then put it in the car, because these won't mount to anything inside the car. So just doing seats. They have to be drilled in such a way where I can actually put a bolt through them. These are bride seat rails on a bride seat, and they're all supposed to match up according to part numbers and things that I looked up on the internet. Okay, that's on. Now we'll just bolt this down in the car.
I don't know if we can see that one or not.
Oh, okay. That's in there. Now, it's a little better than that side, but they are comfy. I'll give them that. Definitely comfy. But what a hassle. I don't enjoy the hassle, but like I said, maybe it's just me ordering the wrong parts. Who knows? Who knows? But anyway, still got to shift this guy over, but you get the idea there. And got to get these seat harnesses in, so that's next. Well, that's that install. Looks pretty sweet too. You know, I didn't know about the purple, but I actually think I like it. So just ended up using the old seat belt hookup points, and then the two on the back. Go to the rear seat belt, and yeah, she's good to go. So I gotta say, I'm happy with that. Homemade roll bar, and got the harnesses in. I think I'm gonna go take her for a rip and see if I stay in the car. Thanks for watching. Getting the feel for it.
Getting the feel for the Skyline.